Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video we are doing part 3 of my Thanksgiving series. Today we're going to talk about some fun different outfits that you can wear for Thanksgiving, hopefully giving you a little bit of some inspiration. I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. But without further ado, let's head into the office and let me share some really fun outfits with you. So glad you're here. Before we go any further in today's video, I want to go ahead and thank our sponsor, Gruns. If you've been here a minute, you already know I've been enjoying Gruns for over a year now. And you also know I don't play when it comes to my digestion, my energy, and staying on track, especially during the holidays. And Gruns just dropped something I'm way too excited about. Their limited edition Grinch Punch flavor. And you know what that means. We're gonna try these bad boys together. It's the same exact whole body support formula I've been using forever, just dressed up for the holidays in this festive berry punch flavor. And no, it won't make your heart grow 3 sizes, but it will help you feel less bloated, low energy, or grinchy. Oh, they're little Grinches. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat this together. Oh, that's good. This time of year, I'm juggling work, kids, the holidays, and my digestion is usually the first thing to go. Staying consistent with Gruns genuinely keeps me on track, keeps me regular, and keeps me feeling like myself. What I love about these is they're not just a multivitamin, they're not just a greens gummy, not just a prebiotic. It's all of these things and more in one little snack pack. Most multivitamins only have 7 to 9 vitamins in them. Gruns has over 20 minerals and vitamins in one snack pack. It's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, and it has no synthetic dyes. And you can choose between low sugar or sugar-free options. I get the low sugar because I like to treat them like a delicious little treat every day. And they're HSA, FSA approved, so that's amazing. And the thing I love the most about Gruns gummies is that they're methylated. That basically means that your body can actually absorb things like B12 and folate appropriately. Other brands skip this because it's expensive, but it's so important, especially to people like me. I have a gene mutation called MTHFR. That makes it a struggle to absorb non-methylated vitamins, and 30% of people have the same mutation. So methylated is the way to go. These Grinch Punch gummies are a limited time only. Same formula I've been obsessed with, but in a tart, delicious berry flavor. So if you already love Gruns like I do, or you've been waiting to give them a try, now is the time. Make sure to shop Gruns. Best sale of the year. These will sell out. I'll have everything linked for you down in the description box. And thank you again to Gruns for partnering with me in today's video. Okay, so we're gonna start with casual. Today I am wearing a super comfortable, very easy to put together and just kind of wear on an everyday basis outfit. I am starting off with my favorite jeans. These are the mom jean from American Eagle. You guys have seen me wear these probably 1,000 times because they are literally my absolute favorite jean. I have them in every color that they come in and I just adore them. They fit so nicely. They do come up nice and high, which I love. I do have mom tum, extra skin from losing weight. And so I like that they come up and they keep everything really, snug. I have them paired with a pair of boots from Target. These were from last year, but I do know that they have them this year as well. I love the chunky heel. They just look really cute, but casual. And they are like a little bit of an ankle boot. They come up a little bit above the ankle. They've got a little bit of height to them, but not too much. I didn't want to feel like I was, super tall. And then the sweater, this is from Walmart, you guys. I love the color. It is this really beautiful, like berry color. And I have this sweater in the oatmeal color as well. I shared that in my last Walmart haul. But I also picked it up in this berry color and I love it. This to me just screams Thanksgiving, fall, and I think it's really pretty. I have it paired with my favorite Walmart earrings that I have been living in. These are just like a really big chunky hoop, gold hoop. I will link them for you. I'll link everything for you down in the description box, but this is just a very comfortable, easy outfit to throw together and you look nice and put together, but not, you know, overdone. This is a very casual outfit. I could 100% get away with wearing this for hosting Thanksgiving and feel very, very comfortable. This sweater, you guys, does come in other colors. It is so incredibly affordable. I want to say it was somewhere around $14. The jeans are typically $59.95, I believe, but they do go on sale often. And when they're on sale, I try to post that on my Instagram. They usually go down to like 41, and I think that that's totally worth it. That is when I will buy another pair. I'm wearing a size 8. I did buy a size 6 that I keep trying on. I can get them on, but I can't get them zipped yet. So that time will come. And the boots, I am wearing an 8. They do fit true to size. I have a very, very wide foot. And so I typically will buy a size up to fit my big old wide foot. And so I usually wear an 8. I think these are an 8. These actually might be a 9. I think these are a 9, but I wear an 8. They are big, if you can see where my toe is, but that's, again, because of my big old wide foot. So anyway, this is outfit number 1, extremely comfortable. I am absolutely in love with the color of this sweater, and I think that this would look great no matter what kind of Thanksgiving you were going to. Okay, this next one is if it's a little bit warmer where you live. So we used to live in Las Vegas, which, as you probably know, is a desert, and it gets very hot. And it's not always chilly on Thanksgiving. And so this is a sweater top from Amazon that is one of my absolute favorite Amazon purchases ever. I actually wear it all the time. It is so pretty and it just fits gloriously. It was a little bit too big. It was getting to be a little bit too big. So then last time I washed it, I put it through the dryer and that brought it down a little bit, shrank it down a little bit so that it fit better. But it does come in tons of different colors, but this chocolatey brown in my mind is ideal. It is so pretty. I do have it with a little bit of a front tuck. You definitely don't have to do that. I have it in the same jeans. I know that many of you out there do not like ripped jeans. I love a ripped jean, so that's what I prefer to wear. But you could absolutely just do a regular jean, and I have them still paired with those same boots. Now you could dress this up a little bit more by wearing a different boot. I'm going to show you that here in a second, but I do feel like this looks nice, but you're not like kind of, you know, over the top yet. You're still very relaxed and comfortable and casual. That's the word I was looking for. I do love the shorter sleeves on this one. Like I said, it fits very, very nicely. I did shrink mine a little bit on purpose, and I love a sweater top. I think I've told you guys this before. I love the high neck. I love the rib detail. It's just so very nice. Let me show you, if I put on a different pair of boots, how we can elevate this a little bit. Okay, here we are with a different boot. This is a tall over the knee boot from Walmart that I would not wear with these jeans, obviously because of the rips, but the jeans that I have that don't have rips, which I only have one, are actually I have two, but the ones that are skinny that I could wear with these are actually in the wash. So, literally. But this is what it would look like if you put on like a nicer boot. I did add a belt just to kind of dress it up a little bit. I'm sorry, the camera's going all over the place. But this is how you could kind of dress this one up. These boots, like I said, are from Walmart. I think they were $50 and they're really cute, very sexy. So good for like date nights, but they also look nice if you wanted to dress this up a little bit. Okay, sticking with brown, which is like one of my absolute favorite colors. I recently picked up this adorable like cardigan, sweater cardigan from Amazon. It's got a beautiful scalloped edge around the neckline as well as the bottom. And it's got like a little bit of a V. The back, it stays, you know, but I think that it makes it a little bit dressier, but isn't this cute? So very sweet. It is a little bit big. I do think that putting it through the dryer might be helpful because it is a little bit big, but it's very, very cute. And I do think it takes it, like it's a little bit dressier, but not all the way dressy, right? Like we're still in a sweater and jeans, and I do have those same boots on because I think it just gives us a little bit of an elevated look, but this sweater is very flattering. I love how it kind of comes up like this, so it gives you a little bit of shape, and I like the shoulders. The shoulders are very flattering, you know what I mean? So they help to keep your shoulders looking small. But this would be another option. Super, super cute. And like I said, this is Amazon, still have those same jeans on, and Walmart for the boots. Okay, sticking with our mostly casual theme, I have a black pair of skinny, stretchy jeans from Target with those same boots from Walmart, and I paired it with that cream colored, like cashmere knockoff sweater from Walmart. You guys, I love these sweaters. It's a little bit wrinkly because I wore it this week, but I did just wear the red one for our Christmas picture, so I'm very excited to see how that turns out. But this is just such a nice fitting sweater. Right now it's just a little bit wrinkly, but this is a very casual, comfortable outfit. You could pair this with some nice gold jewelry. This would also look really cute if you paired it with like a fun like vest. I think that would also look very nice, but love this. I'm very, very comfortable. These are incredibly stretchy. Sorry. These are incredibly stretchy, so when I'm eating, I can leave room for my dinner, but very, very comfortable. And I think that this looks really nice and a little bit more elevated. Okay, this next outfit is probably one of my favorites, and I've worn this skirt 4 or 5 times so far this fall. This skirt is a flannel skirt from Amazon, and I love it. It comes in tons of different patterns. I just went to a baby shower this weekend, and my cousin and I were actually both wearing it, and she just had it in a different color scheme than I did, but so cute. I have it paired with my favorite riding boots. These are actually from Lane Bryant. I got them last year. They are a little bit big now, but I love them. They're so comfortable, and I wear them all the time. And then I have it paired with this sweater that I recently picked up from Target. You guys have seen me wear this in another one of my Thanksgiving videos. It's so comfortable. It is so warm, like so incredibly warm. It is oversized. So I am wearing a small because I don't like things like really oversized. I'm not small enough for oversized to look nice on me. So sometimes I think I get lost in it. So I'm not wearing an oversized. I'm not wearing like a true to size. I'm wearing a small. But this is so comfortable, so very comfortable. I will say that I have the skirt pulled up pretty high because I'm short, and it's pretty big now. So I have it pulled up pretty high. You can wear this with tights. I have some of those leggings that are fleece lined that look like you're just wearing tights over your bare legs, and they're so warm and comfortable. I just didn't put them on today. And these videos are tough because you change your clothes so often that I didn't want to put them on. But I will link them for you down below, and they are incredibly comfortable and incredibly warm. But this is a very comfortable, adorable, casual, but yet, a little bit more dressy option. Okay, we're moving into a little bit of a dressier option, but I think it might be my favorite. And that is this adorable skirt from Target. This is shorts. It has shorts underneath, but it's a cute little like asymmetrical skirt. It needs to be, I need to steam it. I love the color. It's like this mocha color. It is so pretty. I have it paired with those same super tall over the knee boots and that white sweater from Walmart. And I absolutely love this outfit. I think that it looks trendy, it looks sexy, you look classy, it's beautiful, you look dressed up. This obviously isn't like if you're just having dinner like at your house, you know what I mean? This is like if you're gonna go out or go somewhere, but I think that this is really, really beautiful and looks very classy, and yet, still, I don't know, it's not like overdone. I have Paired this with a bodysuit, which looks really nice too. I just think that having it with the sweater gives it a little bit more of a casual look, if that makes sense. But love it. Love the boots so much. Like, they just look so good. Like I said, these are shorts, so you don't have to worry about having shorts underneath. Never in my life thought that I would be wearing something like this, considering where I came from, but like, not where I came from, but like my body. But I love this outfit. This like little skirt situation to me is so cute, and I love it. And the last outfit, and the one that I am most likely going to wear, is this denim dress from Walmart. I shared this in a haul back in maybe September, and I absolutely love this dress. It's got pockets. It's like a nice little t-shirt dress, but it's all denim. I like the length of the sleeves. Got it paired with my brown riding boots, like I said, from Lane Bryant, but I will find you, an option that I can link for you down below. I love this dress. Now, I will say that I have seen that it has been out of stock on the Walmart website, so I will find one that looks very, very similar for you that I can link as well. So if you cannot find it, we can find you another option. This would look cute with a belt too, if you had a belt, just because it doesn't have any shape really. And it does have pockets, so it does kind of like pucker out on the sides here. I did wear this when I went to my friend Anne's service for her celebration of life. We wore blue or green, and so I wore this. But I think that a belt would also look cute and help you like kind of tie it all in together. But this is most likely what I'm going to be wearing, and it's very, very comfortable. Lots of room to eat your dinner and not worry about your pants, and still look put together. All right, my friends, and that's gonna do it for my outfit inspiration for you for Thanksgiving. Hopefully you found some inspiration or found something for you. I will link everything down below, and like I said, if something's out of stock, I'll try to find something very, very similar. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. I will try to also put down there what size I'm wearing and everything, so that way you have that as a reference point. But thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys have the most beautiful Thanksgiving. Now that we've gotten this done though, make sure you're subscribed because it's time for Christmas. So glad you guys are here. We'll see you next time.